Hi, everybody. My name's Ron Smith. I'm with Enbright Credit Union. Looking forward to meeting you all in person one of these days. But for today, we're going to do the first in a series of videos talking about financial well being. So, without further comment, let's get started and talk about this. So, to start things off, I'd like to give a thank you to the ASYMCA for helping us at Enbright set up the financial literacy summer series. So again, ASYMCA, thank you very much. We appreciate your partnership in this, and we appreciate the families coming together and learning about their future and how to create financial well-being for all. Next up here, we've got personal finance for military life. Here's a video that we're not going to go in depth here and look at during this presentation, but I strongly suggest that you do click the link when you receive it and view this video along with other videos that are associated with this link. Next, we've got here some key points in getting started. So, money personalities influence your attitude and decisions about money. As you can see here, we've got 4 different types of money personalities. And as the screenshot here says, setting financial goals are good first steps to improving your finances. Common personalities, as you can see here, spenders, savers, givers, and investors. It would be strongly suggested that you take a step back, take a look at yourself, your family, and see which category of these do you fit into. Then you can go from there to the next step. And after you've decided which one of these money personalities best describes you, and after viewing the video, take the 60-second challenge here. Write down as many of these financial goals that you can in 1 minute. Then prioritize them. Which are the most important to not just you, but your family and to your financial well-being? Budgeting. Budgeting is a huge step here. I was reading an article just yesterday about a family of 4 that had just over $190,000 in student debt, and in 27 months they paid that off completely. It was done via budgeting. They set down their goals, they tracked the inflows and outflows of their spending, they set up how to save or invest. In this case, they were paying off student loans. They created a plan, and then they made adjustments as needed, but stick to the plan. Don't let, as so many times we see out there, other things come into play and you deviate from the budget. If you've got a goal, stay on that goal, stay focused on that budget, you're going to hit your goal. Mobile money, debit cards, cash, budgeting apps. How do you keep track of your money? When I was growing up, it was a check ledger. People around my age, you'll probably remember them. Younger generations, you probably have no idea what you were talking, but basically it was a ledger book. Every time you went to the ATM, every time you wrote a check, whatever you did, you logged it in that ledger and you deducted it from what your balance was. So you had a running total of what your balance was. Great way to keep track, but there are so many other ways of doing it now, especially with apps that you can put on your phone. Some of these apps are even tied into your accounts, so they will interact as you spend things, they deduct from your balance. But I cannot urge you strongly enough to make sure you are using something like this, because otherwise spending gets out of control. You think you've got $500, all of a sudden you're negative $50. You have no idea where that went, and you're looking back going, what did I spend the money on? So definitely keep track of your spending so you hit your financial goals. With that, thank you for attending the first part of our series. You've taken the first steps to having a better financial future and financial well-being. We would love to hear from you. Please give us a call to any one of our team members here at 615-687-4801, or either of the website or emails there. Or if you have a question specifically for me, please do not hesitate. Again, my name's Ron Smith. You can call the 687-4801 number, ask for me. I do attend a lot of meetings, but if you leave a message, I will get back to you. And again, thank you, ASYMCA.